Honorable Chief Guest, respected teachers, and my all dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. I am Ruhina from 10th A.
I am Shifa from 10th A.
Today our topic is Maths in Food. Mathematics, an ancient subject known as math, can be found everywhere and in everything. Such example we commonly know is food. Maths is related food in any way we could think of and can do of. The connection of food and maths start when we are so small child. If you still remember the days of childhood, the teaching of teacher using colorful gems to teach us maths. So in this presentation you will see some facts which relates maths and food together.
Friends, now you are touching about contents. First is symmetry in food item, second is ratio in food item, third is pie, fourth pizza, fifth salad and sixth balanced diet.
Now friends, you see roles of maths in our life. I will show you step by step how maths is used in our childhood, adulthood and old age. First one is childhood. For example, bubble gum are a great fraction where you teach the kids about fraction by using two different colors of bubble gum to teach the kids how to find denominator. They learn to count all of the bubble gum. Second one is adulthood. Use in recipes by chef and housewives for taking the measurement and proportion of ingredients. Third one is old age. To learn the balance in their diet for healthy and disease free by following specific consumption of food.
Now let's discuss the symmetry in food item. First is kiwi symmetry. If we observe this pattern of its seeds and the gap between the seeds is symmetrical shape. With second is apple symmetry. Apple is an interesting shape with two symmetrical lines. Third is rajma. Rajma with kidney shape. Its figure is symmetrical. If cut from the center, thought it does not have any verticals. Fourth is pineapple symmetry. Pineapple is a fruit which has all its parts symmetrical, including its leaves and inner parts. First is kiwi symmetry and second apple symmetry.
Friends, now we see ratio in food item. First example of ratio in food is the mass and weight of the item. The mass and weight of an item has a specific ratio. For example, the mass of mango is in the ratio of 1:2. Second ratio in an item is in its shape. The third ratio of item is present in the quantity of the product. Now we see maths in balanced diet. Due to heavy weight or illness, you may have fear of balanced diet. But have you all ever thought that how a diet is created? A diet, then true consumption of food is created with the help of mathematics, which is used to determine the proportion of items. It can be seen with the help of this diagram. Diet, the quantity, the interval of time, the ratio of consumption, the medicine, the item to consume, the item to not consume. These forms of balanced diet.
Pie in pie. Let's be clear pie in pie. First pie, that is the geometrical pie, and second pie, that is the food item. In interesting facts, the pie is the only maths concept that has the same name in food known as pie. Look at this picture. The symbol and the value of implemented over actual eating pie. you must heard about, but the thing you would have not heard is that it is created by using match shape, use ratio and many other concepts to create a single celled pyramid.
Now you see food pyramid. Food pyramid made up of layers. We have different layers in our food. So let's see from the bottom to top. First layer is bread, cereal, rice and pasta group 6 to 11 group. Second layer is fruit group 2 to 4 servings, vegetables group 3 to 5 servings. Third layer is meat, poultry, fish, dry beans, eggs and nut group 2 to 3 servings. Milk, yogurt and cheese group 2 to 3 servings. The fourth and last layer is fat, oil and sweets use packaging.
Now your question is your weight increasing due to food. Look at this scale. In one part you have to keep your body. You have to keep your body and is increasing due to food. Look at this scale. Is your keep your body food. So food as per the need of body, it should be balanced.
Now we will see why do cooking in maths lesson. Most recipes deal with quantities. Number represent quantities to use. Often quantities are written in the form of fraction or as a mixed number. You have to know the temperature for oversetting. You have to know time for duration of cooking. For example, in making pizza, we need these all ingredients in fixed rate or proportion. It is maths. In making pizza, you need these tools. It includes also maths. How did we start? You making any recipe with the given ratio and proportion, it's also maths. Step by step. The step-by-step method used in every recipe. The process of step-by-step method teaches us maths. In maths, we also follow the step-by-step method. मैं अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन का इख्तिताम इस शेर से करना चाहूँगी कि चमन में फूल का खिलना तो कोई बात नहीं,